Welcome to Fix Master. In this video, I will guide you through the process of downloading and installing the Deepseek application on an Android device. Let's get started. To begin, unlock your phone and open the Google Play Store. This is where you will download the application. Once the Play Store is open, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in Deepseek. When the correct app appears in the search results, tap on it to access its app page. On the app page, press the Install button. The download process will begin, followed by the installation. This may take a few moments, depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the application. If you are a new user, you will need to sign up for a Deepseek account by following the on-screen instructions. After completing the setup, you can start using the app. That's all for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to Fix Master for more technology guides and tutorials. Thank you for watching.